how to get faster Verizon internet without paying for more. So the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is place your router in a very good place on your house, right? So what I recommend you guys do is move your router to a central elevated location away from any sort of walls and metal object. For the best result, I recommend you guys hang it on your ceiling if you can, under the center of your house. So after doing that, what next thing that you can do is change your Wi-Fi frequency. For that, what you can do is simply get this application, My Verizon, and then open it. And in here, all you need to do is add in your Verizon credentials, tap on sign in, and simply sign into your Verizon account from here, right? So after doing that, from there you'll be able to change your Wi-Fi frequency from 5 gigahertz band instead of like 2.4 gigahertz band for your faster speeds. So another thing that you can do is update your router firmware, which you can also do this from this application. And another thing that you can do is use your Ethernet. So in here, you guys already know that you also get your Ethernet cable with your Wi-Fi, right? So instead of using your regular wireless connection on your Wi-Fi on your smart TV specifically, you can actually use your Ethernet cable through your router and join it to your smart TV so that your internet will run much more faster, right? So lastly, what I can tell you guys to do is, if you guys are using any sort of DNS, or you have changed the DNS of your device or something like that, then I highly recommend you guys to stop doing that. And also, if you're using any sort of VPN, stop using it, and then from there I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get your Verizon internet faster without paying for more.